case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The pivotal United States v. Reed case of 1981 was a new addition to conspiracy law precedent, introducing a critical stipulation that would echo through legal forums. The case was heard in the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit, and it revolved around a controversial defense in conspiracy-based cases. The court made it clear that a defendant, even if they were previously part of a conspiracy, could conceivably use withdrawal as a defense. However, this could only be effective when coupled with the argument that the statute of limitations had expired. Consequently, the burden of proof was placed heavily on the government. They were tasked with proving beyond reasonable doubt that the withdrawal had not taken place. The case's origins lay in the fraudulent dealings of several employees of Cenco Medical Health Supply Corporation, including Ralph Reed, Ronald E. Spiegel, and Howard Swiger. Proven to have manipulated the company's finances between 1970 and 1975, they were found guilty of conspiracy, mail fraud, and securities fraud. The deliberate inflation of profits and gross overstatement of inventory were attributed to the unscrupulous manipulation of computer cards and listings, an act that ultimately led to an artificial surge in reported profits. The elaborate fraud, resulting in a staggering financial discrepancy, was valued between $20 to $25 million. The initial court ruling held firm that withdrawal was not a complete defense to conspiracy. Instead, the ruling suggested that it was only viable when paired with a statute of limitations defense. Where the burden lay was a crucial pivot point in the case. The trial court had held that the defendants were liable to prove withdrawal, but the appeals court pointed out that the onus rested with the government to disprove withdrawal beyond a reasonable doubt. The court's resolution unveiled striking verdicts. For Ralph Reed and Howard Swiger, their convictions were indeed affirmed. The conspiracy conviction against Ronald E. Spiegel, however, was reversed. A new trial was ordered owing to prejudicial instructions over the withdrawal defense. Thus, the United States v. Reed case was stamped into history, setting a distinguished precedent in conspiracy trials.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.